Hey everybody, just here to showcase a new product. It's called Just Crack an Egg. It's this little
Michael here.
You take the lid off, remove these, and then you crack an egg in it. So let's read these. Crack egg into cup. Okay. Fuck. Oh. 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 Bitch. Okay, now that I won't say that, is in there, we empty pouches into cup and stir. Bitch. Easy open my fucking bullshit. You got scissors.
This is the greatest costume of all time, really. You don't know.
Empty contents. Fine. Fuck that last piece. Ches.
You got Ches!
Emilio Estachez. Fine, fuck that last piece too, bitch. And then potato. Okay, now stir. I want this one. Ew. Salmonella, here I come. Alright, that looks pretty thoroughly mixed. Oh shit. Alright, now we microwave for 40 seconds, and then 40 seconds, and then stir. Focusing in light sucks. I threw away my pre-salmonella fork, so we gotta stir again with a new fork. Necktie madness. I don't even know how this looks. Alright, now an extra 30 seconds. Time to waste more plastic. Bitch. Now that looks pretty done. But let's find out. Net cam. Okay, didn't work that time. Bitch. Let me stir it again. That's what good. What? add a little more cheese and then go an extra 20 seconds. Ooh. Time for the final result. Here's the final result, unstirred. Stirred, it looks like this. I've had one of these before. It's a lot easier to make than I made it look, but yeah, there we are. Now the last step is simply to throw it in the garbage. Five, four, consume. Ow, it's hot. Thanks for watching Just Crack an Egg with Punkinnonstop.